Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Orca Torch 14500 rechargeable battery. So this is just a very simple rechargeable battery. It's about the size of a AA, but it's got that 700 milliamp hour power, so it's going to produce plenty of power despite being a rechargeable. This has about 500 recharge cycles in it, and it also has a lot of sort of clever circuitry on the inside. That means it's not going to sort of overpower itself or underpower. So yeah, it's a decent rechargeable battery. This is all you really get with it, is just the battery. So this acts very much as just a spare battery that you can just keep in your bag and then power your torch or whatever you need it to. This is the Orca Torch 14500. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.